In this video, we are going to study principles of democracy. But before going to study principles of democracy, first I recall what is democracy. The Abraham Lincoln's famous definition about democracy is that democracy is government of the people, by the people and for the people. That means a form of government in which the people rule themselves directly and without the need for professional politicians or public officials. Or we can say a system of decision making based on the principle of majority rule. Now you see principles of democracy. There are four main principles of democracy. First one, that is government by consent. Second one is public accountability. Third one is majority rule. And last one, that is constitutional government and rule of law. Now, the first principle, that is government by consent. Democracy is government by consent of the people. Rational consent can be obtained by persuasion, for which an atmosphere of free discussion is essential. Consent is obtained at two levels. One is among the representatives of the people in the legislative assemblies, where members of the opposition have their full say. And second one, that is at a public level, where there is a direct communication between the leadership and the people. Now, the second principle, that is public accountability. It is essentially means representatives must remain answerable to the people. As we have seen earlier that democracy essentially is based on public consent. Therefore, it is implied that the government should be responsible and responsive to the people. Whatever will and aspiration of the people are, the government should attempt to fulfill those if they fall well within the constitutional framework of the country. The third principle, that is majority rule. In modern representative democracies, decisions are taken in several bodies, right from electing the government to the committee that are constituted. It is considered to be the heart of the democratic system, that all issues in all the bodies from legislature to cabinet, executives and other committees are resolved through majority decisions. Political equality is secured by the principle of one man, one vote, which implies that there will be no privileged section claiming special weightage, nor any underprivileged section whose voice is ignored. No discrimination is allowed on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth, or ownership of property. The principles of majority rule relies on the wisdom of majority. And the last principle, that is constitutional government and rule of law. Constitutional government means government by law rather than by men. Democracy requires an infinitely complex machinery of procedures, and institutions to translate the majority will into action. If one compromises with the law, rampant corruption and decay of democracy is ensured. It is therefore essential to have a well-established tradition of law and constitution for stability of a democratic government. These are all about the principles of democracy. I hope you understand the principles of democracy. In next video, we are going to study the dimensions of democracy. Thank you.